Hi everyone, for today's video share, I'm going to share with you this project for Scrapdivadesigns. This is the present die set, and this die comes with all these pieces here. So you get the present, which is the main piece, and then you get the layering pieces, which has stitching on it. So that goes right there. And then you get these two pieces, which you can layer on top right here. And then it comes with the bow. And then this is the bow that layers on top. And then this creates the fishtail. So these two go like right here. And then you get the center, the circles. So there's a couple different sizes. You have the larger circle, and then the two smaller circles, and then you have this really tiny one. Okay, so that is the die set. So let me share with you. I decided to create mine into a gift box. And so the height, the depth is 1 inch all the way around. So it makes a cute little gift box. And then this is the Candy Cane Lane new collection from Frank Garcia with Prima. And when you open it up, you could fill it up with some cute embellishments, or you can add a gift card. Okay, and then you can see here I created a notch, which makes it easier to open. And that's using my favorite We Are Memory Keepers punch. Okay, so let me show you how to make this. And I'll put the measurements to the link down below. So you're going to die cut 2 of the presents. Okay, and then of course you're going to die cut out your layering pieces. And then for the box, to build the box, the top lid is going to be 6 1/16 inch wide. And the height is going to be 6 5/16. And then you're going to score 1 inch on all 4 sides. So let me get my scoreboard. So score it 1 inch on all 4 sides. And this doesn't have to be just for Christmas. This could be for any occasion that you want to give someone some embellishments, because it is a present, so it can be used for any holiday. So you're going to do that. So I'll put that aside. And then the bottom box is going to be 6 inches wide by 6 1/4 inches in height. And then you're going to score 1 inch on all 4 sides. Really simple. So just score 1 inch. All right, so let's set the scoreboard aside here, and then we'll create the box. So again, this is the bottom. So let's just go ahead and fold. Okay, and then you take your scissors and you'll cut the slits. And I like to cut in an angle, especially when, building a box. It makes it much easier to build. Just gonna cut a little piece off. Okay, and so let's build the box. So just push in those tabs. And then I use my beacon glue. So I just add it to all 4 sides. Okay, and then you're just going to build your box. Just hold it for a few seconds. And then you can fill this up with, you know, again, any goodies that you want to fill it in with. It's, again, large enough to fit a gift card. All right. So we'll put that to the side. Okay, and then we'll build the top box. Hold that in. Same thing with this. You're going to cut the slits. And then for the top lid, you want to get your punch. You can use a circle punch, or if you have this notch punch from We Are Memory Keepers, you can use that as well. Just makes it, you know, a little easier to open the box. Okay, just again add your glue to those tabs. Like so. And then you're going to get your notch punch. Okay, and then we're just going to, let's see here. This is the top. Just make sure the width is correct. Okay, so it's this side. And I just eyeball it. Just do that. And then do the opposite side. Okay. And then that creates the box. And it just goes over like so. Okay. And then next thing you do is you take your die cut for the present. And I match the bottom of the present to the bottom of the box. Like so. Okay. And you'll notice on the sides, it's not exactly, the box is not exactly wide as the present, because the main thing I wanted was to make sure that it was within this part of the die cut. So you'll see here, it's about, you got 1/16 of an inch on each side. So just eyeball it. Okay. So we're going to add glue to the top of the box. Just add it like so. Okay. And then I'm just going to place it like this. Make sure it's lined up. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same to this box, but I'm going to take it out. And I'm going to turn this over and then glue. Just easier. Okay, and I'm just going to do this, same thing. I'm going to line it up, the bottom. Just make sure there's about 1/16 of an inch on each side of the present. Okay. And then I'm going to put this on top. And there you go. You've got a cute little present gift box. Okay. And then it looks like this. And again, it's enough to fit some embellishments and a gift card. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.